Hi there, and welcome to Mr. T's Maths. In this video, I'll be showing you how to multiply and divide with mixed numbers. Now, let's go ahead and see how this is done. We will start with multiplication. Now, remember that maths can't be learned just by watching other people doing it. You have to actually try it yourselves. So please follow the first example and then feel free to pause the video and try to do the second example on your own. Alright, to multiply mixed numbers, we have to first convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. To do so, we multiply the denominator by the whole part, and then to that result we add the numerator. So 7 times 2 is 14 plus 5, 19 over 7 times, and we do the same with the second mixed number. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2, 7 over 5. As you can see, the denominator always stays the same. And now we perform the multiplication. Alright, before we actually multiply numerator by numerator, we can actually spot here that the 2 7s can be cancelled out and therefore make this operation easier. Okay, so the answer here would be 19 over 5. Now you don't want to leave your answers as an improper fraction, therefore you have to convert them back to mixed numbers. To do so, divide 19 into 5. So 5 goes into 19 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. So the remainder to reach 19 is 4. Okay, so 4 over 5. And the answer is 3 4/5. So please go ahead and pause the video. Try this example on your own and then just check your answer. Yeah. Now, let's go ahead and do this one as well. First, we convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. So 7 times 1 is 7 plus 6, 13. So that's 13 over 7 times, we do the same here. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 2, 14 over 6. Now, we don't really want to multiply 13 by 14 because we would end up with very large numbers and then we would have to anyway simplify that fraction. So to avoid working with large numbers, you can use the cancelling out method. If you struggle with this method, go on my channel and check out multiplication by cancellation. I have a video where I explain this step in more detail. Alright, let's go ahead and cancel out 7 with 14. So we end up with a 1 here and a 2 there. Now 2 and 6 have a common factor. They can both be divided by 2. So we end up with a 1 and a 3 here. So the answer is 13 over 1 times 3, which is 3. And now we have to go ahead and convert this back into a mixed number. 3 goes into 13 4 times, and 3 times 4 is 12, so we have a remainder of 1. Okay, 1 over 3. So the answer is 4 1/3. I hope you found the same answer if you actually did this yourself. Okay, that's it. Finally, I'm going to show you how to divide mixed numbers. The first step is exactly the same. We have to convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. So let's go ahead and do that. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 4, 24. So we end up with 24 over 5 divided by 6 over 5. Okay, and now we have division, so we have to remind ourselves the rule we use when dividing by a fraction, and that's keep, change, flip. So this ends up being 24 over 5 times we change division by to multiplication, and then we flip that second fraction. Okay, and now again we use a cancelling out method. 5 with 5, so we end up with 1 and 1 there. 24 and 6 can be cancelled out by 6, that's 1 and 4. So the answer here is 4 times 1, 4 times 1, and 1 over 1, which is 4 over 1, and that can be written just as 4. Next example, 2 and 3/4 divided by 1 and 5 over 8. So again, let's convert these into improper fractions. 2 times 4, which is 8, plus 3, 11, plus 3, 11, and there is a times there. 11 over 4 divided by 8 plus 5, 13 over 8. Again, change flip, because we are dividing by a fraction. So we keep the first fraction, we change the division to multiplication, and we flip that second fraction. Alright, now let's look for any common factor. So for example, 8 and 4 can cancel out by 4. So we have 1 and 2. And then that's it, we can't do anything else. 2 times 11, or 11 times 2, is 22 over 13, which is then written as 1 and 9 over 13. Yeah, as a mixed number. Remember, we always give our we should always give our answers as mixed numbers when we have improper fractions like that. Yeah, so basically we don't leave our answers as improper fractions. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, to be notified by new releases. And if you have any suggestions, any topics that you want to see videos of, please leave a comment below. Yeah, take care.